44 chambered in 22 LR. I'm pretty excited about it. Yeah, it's only at 22, but it's fun. I know it's going to be fun. All right, this pistol is clear, and this is how she looks. Now, pretty different from what it is that I am used to seeing with Glocks. This actually has a hybrid polymer steel slide. So as you can see here, this top side of this slide is polymer, and then right here along the edge is the actual steel part of this. This does have a 4.02-inch marksman's barrel, standard Glock trigger, nice full-size grip. We already know that this trigger safety might give you some issues, but that's that's not here nor there. No external safeties. You do have takedown on, not takedown, but slide drop on the left and the right side. You do have an adjustable rear sight. So although it's just your little standard Glock white sights, this rear sight is adjustable. Now, the weight on here is 16.40 ounces. So it's very light, and that is with the loaded magazine. That's how that looks completed with the magazine inside. Let's do another quick clear check. Now that does have serrations in the front of the slide, so that is a plus for me. Now it does come with two 10-round magazines. Yes, I do know they do have extended magazines for this, but this is how it comes out of the box, and I think it's going to be a pretty good shoot. The Glock 44 22 LR, and that is how she looks. Very simple. I talk about Glock and their simplicities and all that stuff, and that is something that I can appreciate. Although it's not my preferred, I can appreciate the simplicities of Glock. Now, we're shooting Aguila 22 Super Extra 40 grain. It does come with your lock, and I just have two additional back straps as well. That's it. That's how simple this is. It is what it is, and it's what you got, and that's it. April 27th, Miami Guns and Range. Miami Guns and Range. Make sure you head out to the second annual Yoke Gang meet and greet. Food, fun, giveaways. You see all them love bugs? They coming out. Food, fun, giveaways, and meeting new people. If you were not able to meet, if I was not able to meet you at the first one, hopefully you're able to make it to the second one so that we can chat it up. All right? So enough talking, Yoke. The only thing left now to do is what? Suit him up so you can send him down range. All right, hold this for me because I need to feel this out. All right, so as I said, this does have a marksman's barrel on here, and it's a 4.02-inch, and the weight loaded is 16.40 ounces. So that's pretty much, it's probably the weight of a BB gun in itself. That steel there has some holes in it, so I don't know if it's going to make any sounds. Nothing. Oh. Somebody's going to say it's that ammo. Pistol is clear and the magazine is empty. I think I do have a different type as well. I love it. I love it. Super slick, quiet, and fun. This is nice. And I think, like I was just telling you about the hybrid slide on here, it makes it that much lighter. I like that a lot. Oh, I didn't say you about the one rail pick space underneath. Should have been MOS, but I'm sure they'll figure that out sometimes. Or it's probably out and they just didn't have that one. But thus far, I am enjoying that. Thought I had a different brand, but I do know that the 22LR can be a little bit finicky. But that's all we got. I know. Hold that for me. Let me shoot these plates. That, what you call it, is not making any sound. It's not flipping. start, but you can hear it though, right? See? She just needed to be cradled, that's all. Pistol is clear. Magazines are empty. Definitely need an extended magazine for this. Because you can shoot 8,000 rounds in one range day and not be fatigued at all. Do you have one? If you do, let me know. How much do you enjoy this pistol? Now, another thing. Would you be interested? Now, I do have quite a bit or quite a few 22s in my collection. Oh, it flipped it. That was the last one too. I think I want to see what is the preferred, what is my preferred 22 out of all of them that I have. I like it. It's nice and smooth. Definitely a try different ammunition besides the Aguila and see, because we've had a couple hang-ups. Maybe 3, close to 4 of them. No, yeah, that's about 3 of them. While we at it, let's try left-handed. But I want to make sure I'm hitting. I don't do much training with my left hand. I don't look all that fancy with my left hand. And I wanted to speed that up. We got to do this again. With different ammo. Aguila, come on now. Hold that for me. So far, we're having a little bit of issues with the ammo, but let's just that magazine release is pretty tight. Good job. Pistol is clear. Magazine is empty. I like it. I know we're having some, I know this ammo can be a little finicky. Could this be also a little sensitive to the Aguila ammo? Could be. But thus far, I am enjoying the way that this pistol feels. I like the way that it looks. The marksman barrel, I'm not sure if that even is making a difference. The trigger does not feel really tight and heavy. The actual, and this one looks like the 22, the Glock 22 trigger. That safety on there is not hurting my finger the way that The other Glock triggers have been hurting my fingers. And it could be, it's just a light shoot altogether. And that could very well be what it is. And yeah, this is definitely a nice plinger practice. Whatever it is that you want to call this. That came out pretty smooth. Pistol is clear, magazine is empty. Very enjoyable. Now I got a couple 22 LRs that'll probably give that a run for its money. Now, if you're interested in a comparison with another 22, or might just have to do like a 22 range day and see which one I like the best out of those. But this right here, so thus far, as I was stating, I don't feel like there are any mechanical issues with the firearm. The performance on it thus far is very nice. The feel of it feels nice. Once you can get them all out. And just that quick, we are coming on 150 rounds. Now, mind you, these are only 10 round magazines. So that is how quickly you can shoot these 22s and not even realize how much you've been shooting. They are the assisted magazines to help you load them faster. All right. Very nice. Yeah, she's using that word very often with these pistols. I don't want to call it trash. I don't. Just because I know. That can be annoying. Pistol is clear and my magazines are empty. I like it. Straight out of the box. Nothing was done. That is how I give you the reviews so that you know that I don't take them out to the range previously, run different types of ammunition, figure out what works, and then bring it to you. That's not how we do this here. What you're seeing is what could happen, what may happen if you take this pistol to the range with Aguila ammunition. Aguila Super Extra 40 grain. This is what I'm showing you. Just getting a little warm. Nice. Pistol is clear, magazine is empty. Great job. All right. 150 rounds later, we got 2 left. No rounds left behind. Let's just get these out. Boom. 150 rounds later. The Glock 44 chambered in 22 LR with the hybrid slide This is a hybrid between the steel or the metal and the actual polymer. It's 4.02-inch barrel length, 16.40 ounces in weight, and she all right. She all right with me. We are definitely going to run this back. We're going to run it back with a few different type of ammunition before I put that trash stamp on it. But thus far, she did what she was supposed to do. And I like the way that she feels. So what did y'all think? What did y'all see? How did y'all feel? Let me know. Drop that in the comments. Do you have one? If you do, let me know what runs best in yours. Or what 22 LR ammunition do you find that is pretty much compatible or more friendly with the variety of pistols on the market? I know it makes a difference. Let me know what it is that you use. I am interested to know. So with that being said, April 27th, Miami Guns and Range. Make sure you head out there. I can't wait to see you. Y'all know I love it when things work, but I love y'all for life.